Every year I put my crochet items in a very sturdy tub that has a lid, and then there's kind of like some locking mechanisms on the sides, because I like to put them in here so that they're nice and well taken care of. That way bugs and other little critters don't get inside, because I do store it outside. So this is what I use before I actually take my crochet out of for Christmas to put them out for display. I'm getting all the characters ready for a photo shoot to show you the nativity scene that I crocheted. So here is the nativity scene that I crocheted probably about 4 years ago. You have baby, you have Joseph and Mary, you have a chicken with her chicks, you have a camel, and a donkey, and you have the three kings. You have the shepherd boy and an angel and some sheep. Yeah, I didn't use a pattern, but once you know the basic stitches, you don't really need a pattern.